Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will create this part in SolidWorks. First of all, we create this center portion. Inner diameter of center portion is 40 mm and the outer dia is 60 mm. For that, I select top plane, sketch, normal, select circle command, draw two circles here, right click, select option, smart dimension, inner dia is 40 mm and outer dia is 60 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch. Its length is 60 mm. But we will divide its length into two portions, 45 mm this side and 15 mm this side. Go to features, extrude boss base feature, in direction 1 45, in direction 2 15 mm. Select OK. Now top plane is at this place. Here is 15 mm and here is 45 mm. Total length is 60 mm. Now we create this portion. We create two circles. Inner dia is 20 mm. For outer circle, radius is 23 mm. Distance from this center to this center 75 mm. Again, I select top plane, sketch, normal, select line, center line, draw one horizontal line. Right click, select option, select this line. Make sure this is horizontal. Smart dimension. Distance from here to here 75 mm. Right click, select option. Create two circles here. First circle, second circle. Right click, select option. Diameter of inner circle is 20 mm. Here is radius is given 23 mm. It means the outer dia is 46 mm. You can also write it 23 multiplied 2. Select OK. We create these two lines. I select this line, offset, and select distance 23 mm. Make sure it is bidirectional. Select OK. Now select this circle, convert entities. Now select trim entities. Trim this portion, this line. Come back from the sketch. Extrude boss base feature. Extrude it 15 mm in downward direction. Select counters. Select this counter and this counter. Reverse direction. Select OK. Now we create this rib. For that I select this face. Sketch. Normal. I select this edge of circle, convert entities and draw one line here, one center line from this point to here. Select this line, make horizontal. Now smart dimension, distance from here to here is 25 mm. 25 mm. Right click, select option. Select offset entities. Select this line. This line is 10 mm, so we offset it 5 mm both sides. Select OK. Now select line and connect these ends of the lines. Right click, select option. Go to trim entities. Here is the option extend entities. Select it and extend these lines. This one and this one. Right click, select option. Select trim entities. Trim this line. Right click, select option. Come back from the sketch. Now go to extrude boss base feature and extrude it up to 45 mm. Select OK. Now select this face, sketch, convert entities, normal, select line, draw one line from this point to this point. Right click, select option, trim entities, trim this line and this line. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, go to extruded cut and select 10 mm, select OK. This rib is ready. Now we will create this portion. For that, first of all, we create the plate of 15 mm thick. Dimensions are 60 mm from here to here, plus 15 mm and 60 mm at this side. For that, select top plane, sketch, normal, select rectangle, corner rectangle, select this point of circle, right click, select option. Now go to smart dimension. This side is 60 mm plus 15 mm. Select OK. This is 75 mm. and this side is 60 mm. Select this edge 60 mm. Right click, select option. Now select this circle, make convert entities, trim this line and this line. Come back from the sketch, go to extruded boss face feature, extrude this portion up to 15 mm. Select OK. Now we create this portion. This is 15 mm from this side, and here is the rip of 10 mm. Select this portion, sketch, normal, select this face, convert entities, create one center line here from this point to this point. Right click, select option. Select offset entities, select this line, uncheck bidirectional, in a reverse direction 15 mm. Select OK. And here is 10 mm. Select this line, offset entities, select 5 mm in both directions. 5 mm this side, 5 mm this side, 10 mm. Select OK. Trim entities, extend entities. Extend this line and this line. Right click, select option. Select trim entities, trim this line and this line. This edge of circle and this edge. Also these lines, this line, this line, this one and this one. Right click, select option. Select this dimension of offset. Delete this dimension. Our sketch is fully defined. Come back from the sketch. Its length is 45 mm, but we already create this 15 mm plate. So 45 minus 15 is 30 mm. Extruded boss face feature. Select this sketch. 45 minus 15, 30 mm. Select OK. Now these holes are pending. We can create these holes by two methods. First is by extrude cut. For that, we create a sketch. The center distance from this hole to this hole is 35, and from this edge to here, this is 15 mm. Diameter of these holes are 16 mm. Select this face, sketch, normal, create line here, right click, select top. Now select midpoint line, select this point and draw one line here. Select this line, make sure it is vertical and this line is horizontal. Select this line, construction geometry, this line also construction geometry. Dimension, smart dimension 15 mm and this is 35 mm. Right click, select option. Select circle, create one circle here and one circle here. Right click, select option. Both holes are same 16 mm dia. So select this circle, press and hold control button and select this circle. Make equal, select OK. Smart dimension, diameter of this hole is 16 mm. Select OK. Right click, select option. Come back from the sketch. First method is extruded cut. Select extruded cut. From here select sketch 15 mm deep. Select OK. This part is ready. We can also create these holes by other method. For that, delete this cut extrude to. Select it. Here is the option hole type and select third option hole. From here select the dia of the hole. I select 16 mm and here depth of the hole I enter 15 mm. Now go to position, select 3D sketch, select this point of the hole, center point of hole and this point of hole. Select OK. These both holes are 16 mm dual hole visible in feature manager tree. If you want to customize these holes, select edit feature and change the size of hole from here. You can also apply tapping, countersunk, any type of hole from here. Now this part is ready. Now we apply some color on it. Edit appearance. I select yellow color. Select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.